We are at the central kitchen in Dindigul.
And from here we are preparing all our biryanis.
What's the idea behind having a central kitchen like this?
Main focus on consistency. Calculate the employee productivity.
How many kgs of meat or rice you can prepare here?
It's around 6,000 kgs of biryani which we make.
Per day?
Yeah. If it is a firewood, then you would have felt like you're sitting in an oven. That's why we want to convert everything into burner.
Yeah.
This is the dum area.
Okay.
So once the biryani finishes from there, so this process will take around 45 minutes per now.
Oh. Welcome to the Dindigul Talapakatti's Biryani podcast. My name is Mercy and today we are going to be talking and showing you something that people don't get to see that often. We are at the central kitchen in Dindigul. We are going to be talking about how central kitchen is so important while expanding the business. Joining me is Mr. Satish. We are at the central kitchen. Please show me through.
Welcome, Mercy. And from here we are preparing all our biryanis and most of the gravy for the biryanis. Raita, everything goes from here.
Okay.
So everything freshly prepared and sent every morning. Mercy, this is what you see is biryani masala.
Okay.
It's getting cooked. So the machine we got it from Taiwan. It's called Wok machine. So it prepares around 200 liters of biryani masala.
So you put all the spices in it?
Spices in it and green chilies, all onion, everything cooked. And then we will separate as vata and then we make biryani.
Okay, and how long does this process take?
So this will take around 2.5 hours because it consumes around 200 kgs of onion.
Oh.
Yeah, for making.
So it's that big. Okay, okay. So what's the idea behind having a central kitchen like this?
Main focus on consistency. So if I have masters across every restaurant, then there will be consistency missing across each restaurant.
Correct.
So my main master is here. We will take care of other masters and maintain the consistency. So that's one is main consistency. And to get control on how much we are sending. And my warehouse is here.
Right.
So,
it's right on top.
Right on top.
Yeah.
From there we get all the materials. The control of the materials also will be better
Okay.
if we have a central kitchen.
Okay.
One is whenever you ask for biryani, right? Sending from here, for me, it's easy.
Okay.
Suppose if the master is there, here the master work for 12-hour shift and 14-hour shift. Kind of
Correct.
thing. Their masters can work only for 8-hour shift.
Okay.
And they don't have much of work over there.
Right.
So here everybody has work here. So that is one of the way you do a lot of productivity for each people, you know.
Right.
So we calculate the employee productivity. To make a P&L better, we keep a centralized kitchen and we always look at the productivity cost of each person.
Okay.
How much each person is earning for Talapakatti.
Okay. Oh, lovely. Okay.
Yeah.
How big is your operation? Can you tell us numbers? How many kgs of meat or rice you can prepare here?
The Dindigul kitchen, we normally do around 1,000 paddies per day.
1,000?
Paddies per day. 1,000 paddies is into 6. That is around 6,000 kgs of biryani which we make.
Per day?
Yeah. In 6,000 kgs of biryani, we do around 50% is mutton biryani.
Okay.
Because the consumption of mutton is more Dindigul and
In
Madurai. And the rest from chicken. Plus we have a small portion of veg biryani.
Okay.
Around 15% of veg biryani is
Okay.
veg biryani. So if you are 6,000 paddies, 6,000 kgs of biryani, you need how many mutton? How many kgs of mutton is into 2?
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that is like 3,000 kgs into 2 is around 6,000 kgs of mutton.
Okay. And how do you manage during weekends or festival days? How do you manage those demands at that time?
Yeah, that's why if you see the kitchen, we have a different sections.
Okay.
This section is for gravy.
Yeah.
Only gravy section we have. So that is the bigger section. What you see is biryani section. And this is the South Indian section, and this is the veg section.
Okay.
And in case if it's busy, they use that's the empty section which is there.
Okay.
Begin this, right?
Okay.
So they use that section for when there is a busy.
Okay. So can you take us through all these modern equipments that you have brought in?
Yeah.
Just to have an idea, what does it do?
Okay. Few.
Okay.
Which you can see for making biryani.
This is the biryani masala. Yeah.
There's a veg cutter, which is also imported one. Vegetable cutter. See, earlier when Dindigul, normally they cooked it in charcoal.
Correct.
Firewood. nurtured. So from firewood we are converted into burner because a huge production is happening for biryani
Yeah.
and the meals and everything. So you want to keep. You saw the heat, right? It is how
Yeah,
it is.
it is pretty hot, yeah.
So if it is a firewood, then you would have felt like you're sitting in a oven, 200-degree oven.
Okay.
So that's why we want to convert everything into burner.
Yeah, and for people to work also must
yes,
be difficult.
yes.
Yeah.
If you see here the chillers, there's a chiller plant which you can get the fresh air
Oh, right.
from a chilled air.
Okay.
This, if you see, that is mutton.
Okay. The second one is
Second
mutton.
one is mutton, and the third one is chicken.
Okay.
So you can see the color difference.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Ah.
So,
Yeah, so this is the dum area.
this is the dum area.
Okay.
So once the biryani finishes from there,
Uh-huh.
so it arrives from the hot area, that is hot
Okay.
kitchen.
Uh-huh.
Hot kitchen to this is the dum process area.
Okay.
We have that charcoal over there.
Okay.
Take all the charcoal and they top it up in the lid.
Right.
Like that.
Okay, okay. So this is the final process.
This is the final process. So this process will take around 45 minutes for now.
Oh, okay.
From top it has to
Uh-huh.
down.
Okay, okay.
Because now it's soft boiled rice.
Correct.
So 45 minutes it will get full.
Okay. So after this, they'll go back and start.
And load it in the vehicle
delivering.
and then delivery will start.
Super.
So everything is fresh. From van it travels to nearby towns
Okay.
like Madurai and it takes around from here 30 minutes to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Each location is there.
Okay.
So it will get delivered over there.
Right. Okay.
So each process of making a biryani will takes around for dum process 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Cooking will take 1.5 hours.
Okay. So that's
So
a good
it is-
2.5 to 3 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
3 hours is a good time for making a 10 kg.
10 kgs.
Okay.
Okay. So how many, in the money 10 kgs, how many can you do at once in this kitchen?
I can do around 6,000 kgs
Correct.
of biryani, 6,000
Okay.
kgs of biryani. So at a time.
All right. Okay, thank you so much, Satish, for taking us through this whole process of Central Kitchen.
Thank you.
I think
thank
I'm
you.
coming inside the kitchen for the first time. It was very interesting to see
Yeah.
all the process and
Hope
you've
it is not hot.
Yeah, it is very hot, but it's
Yeah.
interesting that you've got all these equipments from abroad and giving an
Thank you.
authentic taste to our people, Namma Ooru people.
Ooru,
So
yeah.
thank you so much. It was lovely talking
And
to
thanks
you.
for coming to Dindikal and
Thank
visiting
you.
our Central Kitchen.
Yes,
Hope you had a good experience in
I had a
Dindikal.
great experience. Thank you so
Thanks for
much.
coming. Thank you.